Hello everyone again. Welcome to Data Science with Alfred. In today's class, we're going to be talking about functions in Python. Functions in Python. Um, what are functions? Functions are fundamental concepts in programming, promoting code reuse and modularity, which are essential for writing maintainable and scalable programs. Um, the way to write functions in Python is very simple. It follows 5 basic steps. Number one, which is um, I'll outline them like this. Number one is the function definition. Function definition. Then number two, we have the function the function parameters, right? Function parameters. Let me use the word param to save time. Then number three, we have the function body. Then number four, we have the return statement. Very important, return statement. Then number five, we have the function call. Function call, right? So we have the function definition. This usually starts with a def keyword, the def keyword. So let me do something like this. It starts with the def keyword, right? Keyword. So let me build a simple function that can add two numbers so that you understand the concept better. So what do we start with? We start by writing the keyword def, right? So that's the keyword for function in Python. Other languages have different keywords. So def, then the next thing that should follow is the name of the function. So let me say add num. Add num. So this is the name of the function, right? So inside this add num, I need to pass the nesting, which is the function parameter. So I've defined the function as add num. Now I need to put inside this add num some arguments, which we call the function parameter. So let me call them maybe x, comma y. These are the function parameter. Now I need to use colon. So the colon will now give me the start of the body of the function. So the body of the function will contain all the statements that you want, all the characteristics or the behavior of the function. So quick one. So I need to add the number x and y. So now that I've defined the add num function, I need to then return. I need to return x plus y. So now I have returned x plus y. So that is the return statement. Now I need to call the function. How do I call the function? Before I can call the function, I need some inputs, right? I need some inputs. So the input, for example, let me say number one or num1. Num1 is equals to, let's say, 20. Then num2. Num2 is equals to, let's say, 30. All right. So these are the inputs. Now, after the input, the next thing I need to do is the function call, right? The function call is so I can call it result, all right? Result is equals to, here now I can now call the function add num. So if I call the function add num, I need to pass in the variable or the input num1 and num2 respectively, right? Now, to display this result, I need to use a print statement. Print statement. So I can print, sorry, I can print result. So if I print the result, I should be able to get the addition of 20 and 30. So if I do that, you see, I get the result 50. So this is how you write functions in Python. So the first thing is for you to define the function. So let me break it down again. The first thing for you to do is what? define function. So define your function. Then the next thing is for you to pass in the parameters, the function parameters. All right. Then the next thing in the body, you need to, okay, so this is the body. After the column, you have the body. So inside the body, you can then write the return statement. So let me call this the return statement, right? Then after writing the return statement, you also need to take some inputs, all right? So some inputs, all right? So the inputs are just variables that we hold the values that you want to apply this function to. So after taking input, you also need to um, get the result, right? Get result. Then after getting the result, you need to display result. Display result. Like I mentioned earlier, getting the result is you calling the function again. So if you call the function, you will get your results. So add num1 and num2. So if I change this value here, let's say to 30, you see, if I run this, I should be able to get 60, right? And then you can even add conditional statements to the body of the function. So if I can say, I can do something like this. Um, if x is equals to y, all right, I can even do something like this, return, I can write a string, cannot add same number, then, so that's the if statement, right? Then I say else, else, return x plus y, x plus y. So I don't even need this other statement again, right? Don't need this again. So this is just like a condition. You can see where everything is happening in the body of the function. So let me run this and see what will happen. You can see it says cannot add same number because I have 30 and 30. But if I have, let's say, 70 and 30, it should be able to add the two numbers to give us 100. So thank you for watching this. Please like or leave a comment and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.